The biggest reason people come is because across higher ed, there is a need to be more efficient with resources. They need to understand cost, which is just one metric among many, to really understand how their academic programs are contributing to their mission and their margin.
Being able to come here and really share and get a crash course in all kinds of different program costing models is extremely helpful. It can be a really daunting process to try and take on program costing in an isolated environment if that's not something that you've ever really engaged in before. So it's not just passive listening to what other folks have done, it's hands-on work to really be able to kind of get your hands dirty and start to understand what it really takes to put together a program costing model.
What I really like about this too is we have smaller groups where we can do deep dives into very specific topics that are of interest to the participants. Everyone's been extraordinarily friendly, open, and willing to talk about whatever topics are of interest to the participants.